Here we are.
Hey, babe.
Hey.
This feels really familiar to me.
We made it.
Yeah, we made it. Where are we right now?
We're in Lassen RV Campground Resort.
In MacArthur, California. Hey, y'all, we've been here before. We showed you how wonderful the campground is. What do you think this time around? It's been a year.
It's beautiful. And they've made some improvements with the new owners, and it's just wonderful. Stosh is really welcoming and personable.
Yeah, his family's running the show here. We've been here several times already, so we're not going to spend a lot of time on that. And the bicycle rides and the review of the campground, it's up here someplace, okay? Today, I think we're going to take a little drive and go to Lassen National Park. While it's not close by, it's close enough to access from here. Yeah, it's worth it. And we'll take you on a couple hikes and show you what's interesting there. And hopefully find it interesting, something different than a riding video this week. How about it?
How about it?
Okay.
Let's
sit back and enjoy. Hey, hon.
Yeah?
We are not in Kansas anymore, are we?
Not, but I hear water flowing.
I do too. So we are inside of the Lassen National Park, and we've chosen to come and do the Kings Creek Fall hike. It's short, but apparently we just talked to someone who did it. There are some ups and downs. Looks like it's going to be a beautiful day. It's cold, and it may rain here later on. That's kind of why we're bundled up. All right, let's shoot some video on the way down. How about it?
Okay.
Bye. Well, hon, we're on our hike down here to the Kings Creek Falls, but man, this is really diverse landscape. You can see behind me, you know, first of all, there's a devastation from the volcano, and then also all the burned out structures from a forest fire several years ago. But wow.
This is a first for me.
What's that?
Being among devastated forests,
Yeah.
trees.
And we drove past that one called Devastated Area. It was acres and acres and acres of this. Pretty interesting stuff. But definitely weird to be standing in the middle of it. What do you think, babe? Was it work?
Oh, yes. Oh, my gosh.
Yeah.
I love it.
Wow. Beautiful.
Love all the moss.
Look how it runs down through the canyon down here. Amazing. I do notice some sprinkles of rain. Have you felt that?
Yes, I have. I thought if I just ignored it, it might go away.
Might go away. All right, cool. Holy moly, babe. That was harsh at times.
Yeah, yes, it was harsh.
Tell me why it was harsh.
Well, it reminded me a little bit of Half Dome with the wind.
Yeah.
And then there was the rain.
And the terrain is, you have some serious elevation gain, but the elevation that we're at, plus the rain, plus the wind. Oh my gosh, man! A couple times I, thought that was going to knock us both over.
I was grateful for my poles.
I bet you were.
That was a good purchase.
Cool. Okay, so hope you enjoyed the video that we shot, and we'll let you know what happens next year on this adventure today. How about it?
Sounds good. Let's eat.
Okay. So we are really not in Kansas anymore, are we, hon? Wow.
Doesn't smell like it.
The sulfur?
Mm-hmm.
This is the Supan Sulfur Works.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. You can see all the geothermal activity going on here behind her. I'll take a couple looks around here a little bit. Wow. You know what, honey? I'm standing here in front of this, and I can actually feel the temperature change.
Yes.
We came over the mountain, it was 37 degrees and plenty of snow. Down here, you can really feel the heat coming off this mud pot. Very interesting.
My glasses are steaming up.
Your glasses are steaming up. Well, the amount of steam and the sulfur smell is just really indicative of being in an active volcano area, which Lassen Volcanic Park is. But amazing landscape. I don't recall being in a place quite like this before, maybe in Yellowstone, but quite beautiful. That was interesting.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm glad. It was a good stop.
It was a good stop. So folks out there in YouTube land, we exercised something that Kim said earlier about athletic maturity. Instead of powering through in 40-degree rain, we opted not to get on the slippery walk to go to see the rest of the hot springs, because they're not going anywhere, and it'll give us something really to look forward to next time we stop in the area. How about that, honey?
Sounds like a plan.
Sounds like a plan. So, hey, I hope this episode was interesting. It was to us. It was all brand new. So go out and ride or do a hike and have fun.
Have fun.
And, of course, if you're riding or walking or hiking, keep the rubber side down, y'all. Okay, bye now.